So I've showed you a lot of videos on Amazon publishing books, and if you want to unpublish a book, here's how you will do that. You will click over here on these three dots, and you can click down here and it says unpublish print book. Click on that. It's going to confirm that. And if you want to continue, you will just click unpublish. And you'll see the book has disappeared. So if you were taking your book down so you could make adjustments or some changes, you're going to have to go through the whole process again of uploading your book because it will be completely gone. So that's something you're going to want to think about before you unpublish. In case you just want to make some changes, you might want to try to make those changes quickly and just update the interior pages or the cover or whatever you wanted to change without completely deleting the book. But that's all up to you. You can always upload everything and publish again.